Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's video is about instant peda. Only 3 ingredients are required for this recipe. You can prepare this recipe in just 10 to 15 minutes. Let's start the recipe. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now add 1 cup of milk powder, 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of milk. Adjust sugar as per your taste. Cook on low heat until it thickens. Make sure there should not be any lumps. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. It separates from the pan. You can see in the video. Now switch off the flame. When it's warm, prepare peda as shown in the video. Garnish with pista or cashews or almonds. More sweet recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Very tasty and delicious instant peda is ready. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.